No other group of animals could venture so high in the air. Nest in all that masses and dive such great depths below the water. Images of birds in flight soaring through the sky signifies freedom and hope. But flying is not the only skill they know. So join us today as we show you a glimpse of how truly amazing and intelligent these birds are. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's start the show by welcoming our flag racing bird, Bandit. Now, Bandit right here is a red and green macaw, also known as green wing macaw. They are found in the woodlands and forests in northern and central South America. And there you go, our show has officially started. Now, a round of applause for our flag racing bird, Bandit. So hello everyone, my Otto sa tanan. I am Mary, your host for today. And welcome to Cebu Ocean Park Amphitheater. Now our next set of birds are like any best friends and pet friends can sometimes be competitive, right? So let's meet Blue and Azul. And today they will battle it over who's the best in the basketball game. So let's wait for our birds. Let's go, Blue to Azul. Now that right there is Azul, and let's wait for Blue. So before we start this friendly battle, I'll be dividing you into two groups. Now all the girls will cheer for Azul. Come on girls, let me hear you cheer. Go Azul. And all the will cheer for Blue. Come on boys, let me hear you cheer. Go Blue, go Blue. Now are you ready for the basketball game? Hang on. Go! Let's go Blue, let's go Blue! Okay, there's go for both birds. Let's go Blue! Second go for Azul. Let's go Blue! And third go for Blue. So Blue wins this game. So Trainer Andre, you lost this game. What can you say?
Hold it, Trainer Riz. Let's do another race.
Another race now.
Are you sure about that? You want Azul to lose again?
Why?
Well, this time I'm pretty sure Azul and I will win.
Very confident.
So what race do you have in mind?
What race?
So let's do a ring race.
Now tell us, what is our ring race?
No, the first bird to drop all 3 rings into the pole the fastest is the winner. Now that's our ring race.
So our ring race is show B. Now remember, boys already got 1 point, so let's cheer louder for Azul to win this time. Now are you ready for the second game? Now birds ready, trainers ready, set, go! Let's go Azul! First ring for Blue. Another ring for Blue, and he wins this! Very good, my God. Azul wins it. So Taylor is doing at the same time. What can you say?
What was that, Trainer Andre? You guys cheated.
Did you guys really cheat?
Girls, did we cheat? We didn't cheat. Azul just used her brain.
Round of applause for Blue and ready, 50 or 100. Please bring with you a money bill, sir. Now, as you've noticed, all of our birds in the show are parrots. That is because parrots are highly intelligent, charismatic, and musically inclined. So, hello, sir. My uncle, please stand right here. Now face the table and extend your left arm like this. So no matter what happens, sir, please do not swing or move your arm. Now let's call in our money bird, Blue. So Blue can detect the money is fake or not. So Blue flies over, grabs the money. What's next, Blue? What's next, Blue? Okay, Blue flies back to the table. I guess Blue wants to. There you go, donate your money. So is it okay, sir, if Blue donates your money?
Yes.
Since it's okay, sir, another round, 500 pesos. A higher amount, sir. Okay, so it's all part of the show. So before we give you your money back, you'll have a photo op with our lovely bird. So just follow our trainer's instruction. Now smile and pose with our money bird, Blue. Okay, so here's your money back, sir. Please wait at the corner. Our photographer will give you a printed copy for free. Now, a round of applause for our volunteer and our money bird, Blue. Now, next, we're going to introduce you to our parrots. So here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have 3 kinds. We have our Cactus Parrot Red, our blue and gold macaw Goldie, and our green wing macaw Bandit. So you're gonna have a close interaction with our lovely birds. Now, a friendly reminder, if our birds and trainers come near you, please do not try to touch, reach, or grab the feathers of our birds, because they get frightened easily and could bite. Now let's call in Bandit, Goldie, and Red. Now that right there is Bandit. This is Red and that is Goldie with trainer Vince. Now let's start. So on the right, we have our green wing macaw Bandit. So his body is covered with red plumage. His wings and tail feathers are green and blue. He has a white naked face striped with small red feathers. So its scientific name is Arachlorhopterus. Now say hi to everyone, Bandit. Hi. Other side, Bandit. Hi. Now up next is our blue and gold macaw Goldie with trainer Vince. So blue and gold macaws have a beautiful shade of blue on its back and a solid shade of yellow on its inner wings and belly. So its eyes and beak are solid black. Its scientific name is Araarauna. So here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have 3 black gold macaws. We have Goldie up there and si Blue and Azul earlier in the basketball game. So later, napot na excitement si Goldie. So hi po na si Goldie, kina shy type. Hi Goldie. Hi. eclectic parrots are very unusual in the parrot family. That is because of their extreme sexual dimorphism, meaning you can easily distinguish between a male and a female eclectic parrot. So red right here is a female parrot because of its bright red colored feathers, while male eclectic parrots have a bright green colored feathers. So in Gawan, kung makakita mo eclectic parrot, red means female and green means male. So eclectic parrots can live up to 30 years old, while our macaws Goldie and Bandit, they can live up to 60 to 70 years old. Now lastly, did you know that parrots are monogamous? Meaning they only have one partner their entire lifetime. Sana all. And like I said, for different kinds of parrots here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have our eclectic parrot red, our blue and gold macaw Goldie, and our green wing macaw Bandit. So parrots in particular are known to be intelligent and perceptive.